With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So in the questions here we have 4 events, events A, event B, C and D with respect to the term meiosis. Okay, now what we have to do in this question, we have to find out the incorrect option, okay, or incorrect event for the meiosis, that what is not happened in meiosis. Okay, so let's talk first about meiosis, that what is meiosis. Okay, what is meiosis? So meiosis is a special type of cell division. It is a type of cell division. Okay, cell division of germ cells. Okay, it occurs in the germ cells. In sexually reproducing organism used to produce the gametes. Okay, this meiosis occurs in cell divisions in germ cells for production of gametes. Gametes are like sperm in male and egg cell in the female. Okay, so if we talk about our first event, that is two nuclear divisions. So yes, in meiosis there are two nuclear divisions are occurs. So first one is meiosis 1. Okay, we also called it reduction. Okay, reduction. And the second one is meiosis 2. Okay, it's meiosis 2, also named as division. Okay, it's division. So there are two stages in meiosis. Okay, the first one is meiosis 1 and the second one is meiosis 2. Okay, wherein the nucleus division take place twice. Chromosomes are split only in anaphase 2 of meiosis 2. Okay, here. Okay, chromosomes are split in meiosis 2. And in meiosis 1, there is a chromosomal division to the opposite pole. Here, chromosomal division to the opposite pole without splitting the centromere. Okay, now if we talk about our first event, that is two nuclear divisions, so yes, it is correct. So come to the next event, that is one cycle of DNA replication. So DNA replicates during the S phase. Okay, now if we talk about our second event, so DNA replicate in S phase. Okay, during meiosis. Okay, so during meiosis the cell phases only once. Okay, cell passes only once through this phase. Okay, and DNA synthesized by the replication occurs only once during this phase. Hence, only one cycle of DNA replicate occurs during meiosis. So, our second option or event, that one cycle of DNA replication, is also correct. Okay. Now, if we talk about the formation of 4 haploid cell in the end. So, at the end of the meiosis, okay, at the end of the meiosis, 4 haploid cells, 4 haploid cells have been produced, but the cells are not yet gametes. Clear? Cells are produced, but these are not gametes. The cells need to develop before they become mature gamete. Okay, or before they are capable of fertilization, they have to be mature. Okay, they are just haploid cells. Okay, so our option C is also correct, that formation of 4 haploid cells in the end is correct. Now our fourth event is that genetically identical daughter cells. Okay, that genetically identical daughter cells are produced in meiosis. So if we talk about the crossing over, okay, crossing over in prophase 1. Okay, so profess one and independent assortment. It resulting 4 daughter cells. Okay, 4 daughter cells. Daughter cells in the result of profess one. Okay, it's profess one and independent assortment. Okay, independent assortment. So now first let me understand that what is independent assortment. Okay, so independent assortment, okay, it describes how different genes independently separate from one another, okay, when reproductive cells developed. Okay, the independent assortments tell about the how different genes independently separate from one another when reproductive cells develop. But here, in the question here, identical daughter cells, it is written here. And if we talk about the independent assortment, then the genes are independently separate from each other. So the resulting 4 daughter cells are genetically different from each other. These rules apply to all the gametes, and it is why all gametes are different from each other in their expressed traits on an organism phenotype. So our fourth option is incorrect. Okay, these are not identical, these are different to each other. So we have our answer option C. Okay, that is only D is incorrect here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.